Hi guys, welcome to Andrew of Andrew Golden TV, and this is Andrew, your host, and today I'm going to show you guys how to set up your own eBay account, also how to ship your first eBay item. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using Gmail to create my very first Gmail junk account to get you guys all started. What you need to do is that once you have created an email account, or if you already have one set up, is to go to ebay.com. You want to register and fill out that form. You want to put in your email address and password and etc. Once you have filled out that form and you're ready to click the register button, it'll ask you to fill out some even more information such as your street address and where you live. From there, you are ready to list your very first eBay item. I am going to be using a textbook for example. Now just be aware that whatever you use as your keyword and whatever you're selling needs to be exact. If you just put in the word textbook, you're not going to get a lot of views. What is recommended is to have full title. Sometimes you will actually find your eBay item under sell one like this. You want to click on that and be sure to have your camera ready. Please take lots and lots of angles. People love that, and that's the one thing that sells your product or item. Be sure to include a descriptive title and information that you know that people are going to want to buy it. Before even putting down a price for your item, be sure to Google your item first. You want to go to shopping under Google and sort by pricing. You want to get the most out of your item. You don't want to sell your item too cheap or too expensive. You want to be mediocre. In my case, I have found out the most expensive price for my item is about 260 bucks, and that the mediocre price after that is going to be 150. So I decided to pick 150. So you guys are probably wondering what's next. Well, list it. After you have listed it and it does sell, you want to go under selling under the top right hand corner of eBay, and you want to scroll all the way down to where it says sold items. From there you can click on the side of your item, and from there you can actually find the seller's address, or the buyer's address I should say. You now have a couple options. You can either do the eBay label, which is included in it, which actually costs a bit of money, or you can create your own label, which I will show you right now. The way I recommend is to use any document editor, and from there you want to put in that address and your address. You want to go in the top and align the alignment to the left, and for the second one you want to align that thing to the center. Make sure that the text is pretty big and bold so that it is readable. You want to print that out and then cut it out. So then align it and tape it. Next thing you want to do is that you want to seal off that box. And you guys are probably already asking me this one question. Where do I put in the tracking information, and where do I obtain that? Well, it's time to go to the post office, and the clerk will actually give you a receipt with your tracking information. From there, you're going to put in that tracking information, and you're going to go to ebay.com and go to your sold items and click add tracking information. There you have it. If you guys are wondering, where do I get my money? Well, if you have a bank account, you can easily set up your own PayPal account and link that to your eBay so that eBay will actually send your money to your PayPal. With PayPal, you can easily transfer money to and from your friends anywhere around the world as long as they have a PayPal account. Now, it may take a few days, but the money does transfer. Now that you guys know how to ship your own eBay item and how to set up your own account, why don't you hit that subscribe button and that like for more tips and tutorials at Andrew of Andrew Golden TV.